Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my June, is it June? Yeah, June Ipsy charm, oh my god, Ipsy BoxyCharm box. So yeah, we're gonna be doing this together. I don't know what's inside. We are going to see together what I got this month. We're gonna try out what I can try out, and we're gonna go from there. So it's gonna be a fun one. Make sure to stick around and see what I got in this month's box. But before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Join the family, do not miss out. But if you want to see me unbox my June Ipsy box, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, as usual, I don't know what is inside. I just took the tab off so I wouldn't run into any issues taking it off on camera, but that's it. I didn't peek inside. I don't know what's in here. We're doing this together, so we could just jump right in. When you just get the box, it says Ipsy on top, and then you have Glam Bag, BoxyCharm, Icon Box, Refreshments. Has the Instagram handle and the other social medias on there as well. And then it just says Ipsy. And then obviously, as usual, we get our newsletter, and you can scan the QR code and it'll take you right to the page on the website that tells you what's in your box, so you could read the details. And then June 2024, I feel like, is like kind of skincare, like glow based, at least that's what I'm getting from here. So I guess I picked a good day to wear yellow. I kind of match. So very cute. But we can just jump in. I have this pulled up on the website already, and I'm just gonna go in order of what's on the website for me, just to make things easier and not confusing. So first thing I see on here is from Grown Alchemist, which I think is a new brand for me. I don't think I've tried anything from them before. If I did, I'm sorry, I don't remember. This goes for $55, and then it's 75 milliliters, which is a pretty big size. It says, get your dull and rough looking skin back to soft, smooth, and supple state with help from this revitalizing scrub. It's gentle enough to use every day, and the grapefruit and rosehip oils help balance your skin and keep your oil production in check. With the brightening powers of vitamin C built in, this exfoliant will help you be on your way to radiant skin. So let me find that one. Here we go. So I'm gonna take it out of the package. Oh, it bent a little bit. Oh, whatever. Yeah, it's looking a little wonky, but that's okay. It's not all about the looks. So yeah, I would say the packaging is very like simple. It's not anything like crazy fancy. There was no like guard, like you know how sometimes these products have like the aluminum cover so that no makeup spills out. This did not have that, so I'm really hoping that doesn't mean this is like a returned item or something. I'm just gonna squeeze this on the back of my hand though so we can see. This is as much as I could try because I have makeup on, of course, but here it is on the back of my hand. It's just like a white cream. This feels good, actually. It has like these teeny tiny little crystals in it, and it feels like exfoliating. I might honestly try this today once I take this makeup off, because I'm not gonna keep this on much longer, so I might just try this today. It smells really good too. It smells like when you go and get a facial, like that kind of like natural, organic-y kind of smell. That's what this is to me, and it's really, really nice. So I'm super excited to try this out. And by the way, 75 milliliters is 2.5 ounces. So that's a lot of product that you get. So I feel like 55 bucks, but you get 2.5 milliliters. We'll see. I'm excited. Next up, we have from REALHER. I have tried them. I know they've been in my boxes before. So it's the Ceramide Primer. Goes for $23. It's 35 milliliters, which I think is just over an ounce. And then it says, the key to a flawless base, this ceramide primer that nourishes and preps your skin for all-day gorgeousness, infused with a blend of skin-loving ingredients like ceramides, licorice root extract, and lemon peel oil. Ooh. It helps minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines, leaving your skin fresh and radiant. I will take anything to get rid of the look of pores and fine lines. So let me see where it's at. Here it is. It says Dream Without Limits. I love that. Love the packaging, super simple. You get like that rose goldy cap, but I love this. It's like very like travel friendly, I would say. And then yeah, it's 1.18 ounces. So you get a little more than the standard size, and the price is not bad at all. Like 23 bucks, that's not bad. And then I'm just gonna squeeze some out on the back of my hand again. It doesn't really smell like anything. I just keep smelling this exfoliator. It's like a whitish cream with like a little bit of a pinky tint to it almost. And then just blending it out, it feels so soft. But it, again, feels like skincare. It has like that very slight tackiness that I love in a primer, but it still feels really hydrating. It's really good. I love the feeling of this, and it's making the back of my hand so soft. So I'm really excited to try this out actually under makeup when I'm able to. But I love the concept of this, and I'm excited to keep playing with it. Next up, we have Trust Fund Beauty. Have I tried something from them before? I feel like I may have. It's their LIPGASM lipstick. Here's this. So it says Trust Fund Beauty LIPGASM lipstick in birthday suit. So this goes for $18. It says your newest lip obsession has arrived. This nude pink lipstick feels as comfy as a balm with all the pigment of a lipstick. It's creamy, non-drying, and feels comfy enough for all day wear no matter what you're up to. So let me take this out of the little package. The packaging is nothing fancy. It's like a plasticky cover. What is with my box this month? I feel like everything is a little bit like messed up. Like this has like a big indent in the top. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I did not just do that, so I don't know why that happened. I hope these are not used. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna swatch a little bit. It's a pretty color. I actually really like that color, and I feel like that's something that I actually would grab for myself. So let me just see. I already have lip product on, but I think this is a good one with what I'm wearing, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on top. I actually really like this color. I feel like it's a really nice, like, nudie pink kind of shade, and again, it went really well with the lip liner and the oil that I was wearing on my lips already. I feel like it just enhanced what my lips already looked like. So I am a fan. I know I already have other products on top, so I can't speak too much on like feeling, but from what I can feel, it's really nice and buttery and not drying. So I like this so far. Not the biggest fan of the packaging, but that's okay. I feel like I like the product itself, and the color is really cute, so I'm excited. Next up, we have from MAKIAGE. I love MAKIAGE. It's the Color Boss Squad eyeshadow in Real Deal. So here's this. This is heavy. Just holding it like this, it has some weight to it. This goes for $48, so that is pricey for a little like quad eyeshadow palette. And then it says, this eyeshadow palette is the ultimate quad to help you create the perfect smoky eye, featuring a versatile matte brown and 3 glistening shimmer shades. The formula glides on like a dream, blends like a boss, and stays put all day long. So let's see what this looks like in here. I am obsessed with this packaging. It's like a mirror kind of package, and it's really pretty. Like I could literally use this as a mirror to apply my makeup, and I cannot stress enough to you guys how heavy this is. Like this is a good quality packaging, like very much so. And the sizes of these are actually really big. $48 is a lot for just 4 eyeshadows, but these are really good size, and I feel like these would last me a very long time. So yeah, I'm just gonna swatch these really quick, and then I'll be right back to show you guys what they look like. Here are my swatches. These are all such beautiful colors, you guys, and I feel like all 4 of these are shades that I would actually grab for. They feel like silk in your hands, or in your fingers, I guess, and like swatched on the back of my hand like a dream. Like so easy to swatch these. I'm not gonna do a whole eye look. I kind of just want to take maybe like this second shade, like this pinkish, and just apply it to my lid and see what kind of look we get. Super subtle, but super pretty. I feel like I did that with my finger, blended out basically everywhere, and it looks like I used a brush to do that. And now I'm just taking a little bit of that like light shimmery shade just to see what that looks like on my eyelid. So pretty. I feel like these blended so nicely. Again, it took no effort, but they feel so good. They look so good. I'm a huge fan, and I feel like I'm gonna be grabbing for this a ton. So I'm super excited about this one. And then last but not least, we have JLo Beauty, that JLo Glow Brightening and Firming Serum with Niacinamide. So here it is. It's pretty big, but it's only an ounce. This looks like it would be bigger, but it's 1 ounce. This goes for $79, which is very, very expensive. And it's 1 ounce. It says, the name speaks for itself. This serum's game changer status is all thanks to a sugar-derived skin lifting matrix, Japanese rice sake, and yeast-derived ferments, which condition and help brighten the skin for that unbridled JLo glow. So it's a face serum. Lots of skincare in this box, which I really like. And then I am just gonna swatch a little bit on the back of my hand. It's like, it's watery, not crazy watery, but it's definitely not like a firm solution, I guess. It feels like water, just like a little bit more tacky than water. It feels really nice, I have to admit. $79 is a lot though, but I'm gonna have to keep playing around with this and see what it does for me. I am excited. I might try this today as well, because why not? But yeah, packaging is really cute. It's really like fancy and out there, so I like it so far. I'm interested to see what it does for me when I try it out and keep using it for a little bit. So yeah, I feel like this was a really, really good box actually. I got some products that I'm so excited to try out for the first time and keep on using. So this one was a success. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about what I got in my box. If we got the same things, if we got different things, let me know. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.